In this video, we have given that A, B, C, D, E, F be a 6-digit integer such that D, E, F, A, B, C is 6 times the value of A, B, C, D, E, F. Then we have to find A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. So any 6-digit number, suppose 547283, it can be written as 1000 times 547 plus 283. So A, B, C, D, E, F, it can be written as 1000 times A, B, C plus D, E, F, and D, E, F, A, B, C, it can be written as 1000 times D, E, F plus A, B, C. And we have given that D, E, F, A, B, C, it is 6 times A, B, C, D, E, F. And D, E, F, A, B, C, it is 1000 times D, E, F plus A, B, C, that is equal to 6 times A, B, C, D, E, F, it is 1000 times A, B, C plus D, E, F, and 1000 times D, E, F plus A, B, C is equal to 6000 times A, B, C plus 6 times D, E, F, and 1000 times D, E, F minus 6 times D, E, F will be equal to 6000 times A, B, C minus A, B, C, and 1000 minus 6 is 994 times D, E, F is equal to 6000 minus 1 will be 5999 times A, B, C, and 994 is 7 times 142 times D, E, F is equal to, and 5999 it is 7 times 857 times A, B, C, and 7 will get cancelled and it is 142 times D, E, F is equal to 857 times A, B, C, and 142 and 857, these are co-primes, and A, B, C and D, E, F are 3-digit numbers. That means A, B, C will be equal to 142 and D, E, F will be equal to 857. So A, B, C, D, E, F will be equal to 142,857, and A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F will be 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7, and 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 5 is 20 plus 7 is 27. So it is 27.